with JC. In today's class, neither and either level V2 upper intermediate.
Well, hello folks, and welcome to another video in our channel, Learn English with JC. That will be me. Okay, in today's video, which by the way is level B2 upper intermediate, vocabulary section, lesson number 7, we are going to talk about neither and either. You can also pronounce them neither and either. I personally prefer neither and either, but it's up to you however you want to pronounce it. All right. Neither and either are used to agree with negative statements. If you recall from lesson number 6, we studied the affirmative ones with so and to. All right. So if you haven't watched the lesson, I recommend you to watch it, because it will be easier to understand this lesson number 7. Okay. But again, we're going to concentrate on neither and either. Okay. Now this is the structure. Okay. Neither plus auxiliary or be or the verbs be or have plus the subject. I repeat, the structure is neither plus auxiliary, or in the case we have the verbs be and have plus the subject. Okay, let's take a look at a few sentences. Okay, it's very easier to understand, much easier to understand. Person A says this and person B says this or that. Okay, for example, a person says, hey, I am not hungry. I am not hungry. Person B could say, neither am I. Okay, we're using the verb to be, the same verb here. Neither am I. Or you can also say, or he can also say, or she, I am not hungry either, or you can drop the hungry. So again, in the last one you could say, I am not either, or I am not hungry either. All right, let's take a look at a few more examples. I wasn't bored, says person A, I wasn't bored. Person B says, neither was I. We're using the verb to be in the past in this case. Okay, neither was I. Or you can also say, I wasn't bored either, or drop the board and say, I wasn't either. All right, so there are several ways you can say it. All right, another example. I didn't like the book. Here we're using an auxiliary. Okay, in the negative. I didn't like the book, and person B can say, neither did I, or I didn't like the book either, or without like and the book, and simply say, I didn't like either. Okay, very good. So another one. I can't swim. I can't swim. Neither can I. So we're using the verb here. Neither can I. Or you can also say I can't swim either, or simply I can't either. All right. So as you can see, it's not really complicated, but you need to know the structure, which is up here. All right, another one. I shouldn't worry. I shouldn't worry. Person B can say neither should I. Okay, we're using the same one. Neither should I. Or I shouldn't worry either, or without the worry, and it becomes I shouldn't either. Okay, very good. Another example. I wouldn't eat that. I wouldn't eat that. Neither would I. Or I wouldn't eat that either, or without eat and that, and it becomes I wouldn't either. Okay, 2 more examples to go. They haven't studied. They haven't studied, and person B can say neither have I, or I haven't studied either, or simply I haven't either. All right, another one. I don't need help. I don't need help. Person B says, well, really? Neither do I. Neither do I. Or I don't need help either, or simply I don't either. All right, so this is pretty much it. However, there is an exception up here, down here. Sometimes you will see or hear nor plus auxiliary plus the subject instead of neither. For instance, person A says, I wasn't ready, and person B can say, nor was I, or neither was I. Neither is much more common, it's much more frequently used, but again, sometimes you can hear nor. All right, so I hope this lesson will help you in terms of knowing how to say neither plus the auxiliary plus the subject, neither or either or either. And again, if you haven't watched the previous lesson, lesson number 6 with so and to, I strongly recommend you do so, because you will learn a lot in terms of agreeing with somebody in the affirmative and agreeing with somebody in the negative. Okay, hope you like the video. As I always say, if you do, don't forget to click on like, and also subscribe to our channel, because there are many interesting lessons about vocabulary, grammar, listening, English in context, you name it, a lot of things that we have in our channel, different levels. A2, B1, B2, which is this one, and C1. And better yet, why don't you come to study with us here at Montero Espinosa, located in Madrid, Spain, in the neighborhood of Moncloa. I'll be more than happy to be your teacher and to teach you one-on-one classes or classes in group. You will not be disappointed, I promise you that. All right, well, thank you very much for your attention. I hope I'll see you again soon, and have a nice day. Bye.